Welcome to our 48th ECG course and 6th clinical cardiology course entitled From Heartbeat to the Bedside.
This initiative by the division has been done in order to support our service.
So the objectives are to discuss the multifactorial origins of CCS and how we can personalize management of these patients with chronic coronary syndrome.
I guess the best proof is if you're able to slow it down and na-unmask mo na may palang underlying flutter waves.
So with these evidences, we should address underutilization. We should target our hesitation, focus on implementation so that we can afford cardiovascular risk reduction. Good afternoon. Thank you and very much.
Okay, so if we're going to do arrhythmia management, gold standard pa rin is ECG-based. Although, merong advantages yung photoplethysmography.
6 hours na walang increase in IV diuretics, 6 hours na walang nitrates, and then 6 hours na yung BP mo stable, SBP 100. Ha? So, thank you very much.
So you have the indication and you get an ICD. So the world that you live in doesn't really stop. So you can actually continue living a normal life. Okay? That's all for my lecture. Thank you.
So good morning everybody and welcome to the second day of this very immersive and the longest running ECG course in the country.
Masyadong maaga, no? Masyadong maaga ba ang 8 o'clock? Pero lahat kayo nandito. I'm thankful to everyone who joined us. Congratulations to the organizing committee.
So, chronic venous disease is a very common condition. Approximately 5 out of 10 patients or people have chronic venous disease, but with a wide spectrum. It can be mild and severe.